Namaskar. I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. Rahul Gandhi's recent attempts to create a narrative that divides Hindu society often raise doubts about his intellectual depth and, at times, even invite ridicule. How can such a person lead the opposition in the Lok Sabha when he seems unaware that in the presence of God there are no distinctions of rich or poor, king or commoner? All are simply devotees in the eyes of divine. During a state assembly election rally in Hisar, Haryana, Rahul Gandhi claimed that when the temple in Ayodhya was opened, only figures like Adani, Ambani, and Bollywood celebrities were visible, while poor farmers were absent.
अयोध्या में वो हारे क्यों? अयोध्या में मंदिर खोला, वहां अदानी दिखे, अंबानी दिखे, अमिताभ बच्चन दिखे, बॉलीवुड पूरा दिख गया, मगर गरीब किसान एक नहीं दिखा आपको वहां पे.
He further alleged that at the Ram Temple inauguration, the president was barred from entering because she belongs to a tribal community, and instead a song and dance event was held.
आपने राम मंदिर खोला, सबसे पहले आपने राष्ट्रपति से कहा कि भैया आप आदिवासी हो, आप तो अंदर आ ही नहीं सकती, अलाउ नहीं है आपको. उसके बाद अमिताभ बच्चन को बुला लिया, अदानी को बुला लिया, अंबानी को बुला लिया, किसी एक मजदूर को नहीं आने दिया.
However, Gandhi's allegations crumble when examined against the facts. At the time, Nripendra Mishra, chairman of the Ram Temple Construction Committee, along with Alok Kumar, acting president of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, had extended an invitation to President Draupadi Murmu for the Ram Temple consecration ceremony. The president, due to prior commitments, was unable to attend. Moreover, the VHP reported that over 7,000 people from 150 different categories, including saints, politicians, business leaders, athletes, actors, and families of Kar Sevaks, were invited to the event. Many could not attend due to other obligations. Should the BJP be blamed for this? It is evident that Rahul Gandhi is spreading misinformation during his election rallies. Multiple media sources confirm that Sri Ram Janmabhoomi Tirth Kshetra Trust has invited people from various backgrounds, including members of scheduled caste and tribes, impoverished families from slums, and workers involved in the temple's construction. In fact, within the 90 days following the temple's consecration, over 10 million devotees visited Lord Ram's temple, with daily visits exceeding 100,000, numbers that continue to grow. In conclusion, this is not the first time Rahul Gandhi has made baseless and disrespectful remarks about Hinduism and its symbols. Under his leadership, the Congress party even submitted an affidavit to the Supreme Court claiming that Lord Ram was fictional. Congress has long been at the root of the Ram Temple controversy. Gandhi's speech raises a troubling question. What might happen if even a small percentage of India's innocent population begins to believe the caste-based and divisive rhetoric he promotes? Such dangerous narratives pose a serious threat to the present and future of the nation. Jai Hind.